What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron Tates and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting in the tag lights that I was telling you about in the bumper install video. They finally came into the mail. I feel like crap because it didn't get put in the day of the bumper install, but today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal just as it's going to be just a tag light install. Now, these tag lights are super awesome. I haven't put them in yet, but I've seen videos and reviews of them on Amazon and on YouTube, and you guys are gonna love them. I definitely suggest these for any vehicles, so let's get into installing them. Okay, as you guys can see, I've already taken out the tag lights, but I'm going to be putting this one back in just so I can show you how to take them out. Okay, so the tag light itself is in. You can just take a flathead screwdriver, a plastic panel remover, anything like that. You just want to take it in and put it right in the back side of the tag light itself. Be careful not to scratch your bumper or anything like that. And then you just want to pop it out just like that. Super easy to do. I had my tag light wires all wrapped around my bumper because I knew I wasn't going to have tag lights for today to drive to work, so I was just hoping that no cops would mess with me or anything. Just a 20-minute drive to work and I wouldn't get pulled over or anything like that. We've got that one coming out this bumper. I got this bumper coming out this side. We've got that one coming out that side. Okay, now in the box, super small, simple box. This is all they are, just a LED bar that goes across it. This is what a normal tag light looks like, side by side. All you want to do is plug this in, and then you'll turn your lights on and make sure that it works. And there we go. See how bright that is? Just think you'll have two of these. So turn the lights off. Once you've plugged it in, you can just take the wire, shove them back inside it, put your light bulb socket back in there, and turn it just like you were to have an actual bulb inside of it. And when you get it into the hole, just line it up and pop it in just like that, completely in. Then you just want to do the other side the same way. All right, everybody, and just like that, the tag lights are in. Like I said, super short install video, nothing crazy like that. I wanted them to be a part of Sunday's upload, but was not possible. I apologize for that, guys. That is completely my fault. So super short video today for you guys, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. There you go. That'll be in Sunday's upload, what you guys just saw. I finished that off yesterday and gonna get the whole video edited and everything like that. So I have to say, guys, thank you so much for all the support on the channel. The views have gone up so much, the comments, the likes, the subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We're still at 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please go down and just click the subscribe button. It literally takes like 5 seconds and it completely changes the whole channel. It lets YouTube know that you guys like my videos, you guys like my channel, and YouTube will not only recommend more of my videos to you, but it'll recommend it to more people in general. So please, guys, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment what you guys would like to see. Now that the bed liner and the tag lights are finished, the bed liner video hasn't come out yet, but we're gonna start moving on to the front of the truck. Next Wednesday's video, I already have it planned and everything. It's gonna be something on the front of the truck. And then after that, it's gonna be something else up there. We're now moved on to the front of the truck. And once the front gets done, we're gonna do body work and then it's wrapped. So guys, if you wanna stick around for this wrap that's going on the truck and the rest of this truck build, please hit the subscribe button. All right, I'll stop boring you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.